Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure your Beats Solo 3 have at least 20% charge and are powered on. Hold the power button until the LED flashes to enter pairing mode. On your HP laptop open settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices and switch Bluetooth on. Once done, keep the headphones within 3 meters and disable other nearby Bluetooth devices to avoid interference. This reduces pairing conflicts and speeds device discovery. You'll now pair. Choose Add Bluetooth or other device, pick Bluetooth and select the entry labeled Beats Solo 3 or Beats Solo 3 Wireless. Click it to pair. If you do not see the device, re-enter pairing on the headphones and press refresh on the laptop. Sometimes discovery times out. If pairing fails repeatedly, open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right-click your adapter and update the driver. Outdated drivers often block profiles, so keeping them current fixes both connectivity and quality issues. Once paired, make sure your Beats are selected as the default playback device. Right-click the speaker icon, open Sound Settings, and choose Beats Solo 3 under Output. Play audio and try a short video to confirm sync and volume. Adjust app and system volumes separately as needed. If you encounter dropouts, restart the Bluetooth service or run Windows Bluetooth Troubleshooter. If that fails, remove the device and repair. And check for Beats firmware updates via Apple's support app on another device when possible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.